Hey, what's up, y'all? I just want to make a quick video. This is my first time. I'm still trying to figure out everything, but this is overdue. So, starting out, I just want to introduce you to the school community. This is it right here. Not much action going on. I did make the first post and I logged into my wife's profile, so I made a post on her behalf to try to show you around a little bit. Alrighty, so let's check out the classroom next. So let me change these colors to green, keep me organized. The classroom, I'm actually building it right now, and I'm filming the first video right now, so I can't actually display that in the classroom. But I did upload a different video that you'll be able to see as an example. This is just me demonstrating how to open and close the e-lock to my own tenants. I'm going to be using Loom. That's what I'm recording on right now. And I just asked, like, will you guys give me some feedback as you watch the videos? I'm going to enable it so you can like. If you do a thumbs up anywhere in this timeline, it'll show me, what area specifically I did well at. Also, if you have a question regarding the video, please definitely leave a comment, give me some feedback, let me know what I'm doing right and wrong. This is my first time. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm hoping that you guys can help guide me and let me know, different things along the way. But here's an example of how you could ask a question. Um, and you say, so if you post this, it's going to display underneath the video. Oh, you got to select the category. So this is a question and ask. And this is going to be useful for other people when they come across the first video. If you have a question that they might have and you've asked it underneath the video, they'll be able to review that. And then if I respond or somebody else, the answer will be there. Alrighty, so that's the classroom. Yep, it's showing my post. My internet is pretty slow right now. Let me also talk about the calendar real quick. So the calendar is right here. I don't have any events besides make a School 101 video right now, but this is an example how you guys can add events that I might be doing, maybe Q&A live question or live videos with question and answers, or something else that I may add in the future, but you can add this to your own personal calendar just with one click. So let's go back. That's pretty much it. I'm rushing right now. Let's go to leaderboard. I don't have much time. Leaderboard. So I just made up these labels. I'm trying to incentivize, and guide you guys into give me feedback because I'm definitely, I guess, self-conscious. Like I feel like I'm not doing a good job. I don't know what I'm doing here. So please let me know what you think. All right. So this first course that I'm making, I'm only going to display this to the people watchers because I'm trying to really encourage you guys to let me know what's going on, what you think, and just have action in the community, because as I invite more people, when they show up and they just see just me posting and my wife posting, they're gonna just leave immediately. So it's crucial. It's like really important that you guys just ask any questions, say anything, share anything, just to get some life in this community, and it will be encouraging for new people as well, and it's going to make it or break it, basically that's how I see it. So let's go back to the leaderboard. Oh yeah, where I said level 1, I'm not going to give any more material besides this entry video because I want people to participate in the community and they can level up. Once you get to level 2, then I'll have some other videos over there that you'll have access to. And I want to point out that the way you get to level 2 is you actually have to be active in the community. You have to like posts, you have to post your own post. And I don't know what's going on. The internet is super slow, but you see that I'm level 1 and you see this ring going around. Once I get 4 more points, I will be level 2. And then I will be probably building another course that I'm actually going to provide for those that are active. And along the way, I'm still trying to figure this out. Maybe I'll give out prizes and stuff to people that level up. I'm still filling this out. Let me know if you got any ideas or anything. Yeah, and I think a like is 1 point. And I don't know exactly how many points you get for a post, but we'll figure that out along the way. There's no activity, so the leaderboard's not displaying anybody, but soon we'll be able to see people that actually have different levels, and you'll be able to see who participates the most, and they'll have like credibility in the community. The more you see them, the more input they add, the more value for all of us. Let's go back to this. I've gone over the community classroom calendar leaderboard real quick. All right, let's do an action item kind of checklist thing here to try to give you guys something to do with this first video. Make your first post. I'm going to actually make a post and show you. I've already preloaded something here. Copy. So you're going to make your first post. We're going to tag someone. And then we are going to like someone else's post. Alrighty. So go back to the community. Right here, paste it in into the discussion. I'm asking a question about the labels for the levels. So, alright. Oh, and let's do a poll because I think this will, you can add all kinds of stuff down here, but I think this will be a little bit more interactive. So level 1, I gotta format this so it will look neater. So you guys let me know if I should change some of these or what. Okay, so good will be the first one. Bad for the second one. Any suggestions for the third one? Oh, I put this here because I'm going to tag my wife. And then I will show you what this looks like. Oh, I also have to add a category. So I'm asking a question. So yeah, please use these categories because I'll show you why right after I post this. It's pretty important. You know, asking any type of question, celebrate any type of win. Announcements is for me because I'm going to be posting stuff that that you guys can see, you know, as we go along. And then shares, like if you share anything like helpful to others or your experience, just make sure you select the appropriate category, please. How come she's not coming up? I don't know if my internet is that slow because I'm recording, or maybe. Yeah, there she is. Okay. I don't know what that's about. Okay, so post this. And what was I going to do? Oh, yeah. I was going to show you why it's important to make sure you select the categories. It's posting it right now. But while that's loading, I'm going to go to my wife's account. So I'm performing this right now. This is the calendar event that I had. Let me refresh it because she should be able to see my post that I just made right here. Yep, there's my post. This is why you want to use the categories. So you can filter stuff. If you're looking for questions or you're looking for announcements or something like that, you can use this. And if we're orderly with the way that we post our questions and our shares and celebrations and stuff like that, it'll be very helpful when we're looking for stuff. All right, so I did the action items here. Oh, no, I gotta like something. So let me go to my wife's post right here. Oops, get out of the way. Uh-oh. This picture of me is too big. Shrink it. All right, so I liked hers. And then if I go on to her account, she can vote on this. I'm just going to say it's good because I made it and I'm under her account. But that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, one person voted. All right, guys. I'm excited. I'm ready to dive in and start learning stuff and hearing from you guys. And I don't know, this is the beginning and it's pretty cool. I've never done nothing like this, but that's it for me for now. Let me know what you think, and please, whatever you do, just get involved, ask questions, share stuff, whatever, because right now I'm desperate. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Thanks, guys. Bye.